how to change age on Clubhouse. Hello everyone, welcome to another tutorial. In this video, I want to show you how you can change age on Clubhouse. So ensure you watch to the end, okay? So the first step is for you to log in into your Clubhouse account just like I've done here. And then once you've launched the application, move to the top right corner, click on your profile icon. On your profile icons page, ensure you select settings, alright, and you will be brought to your settings page. So once you're on this settings page, the next step is for you to click on your profile name, which is next to your profile icon, and you'll be brought to your account settings page. On this page, you can see the option for you to change your name, alias, phone number, and username. You will see that you cannot see anything like change age here. This is because you cannot change your age directly on Clubhouse. The only option for you is for you to reach out to the customer support, writing an appeal that you would like to change your username and you would like to change your age, and you cannot go about it. So by writing that request, they would review it, and then the customer service of Clubhouse will get back to you through an email asking you what to do in order for you to change your age. So this is basically how to do it. So you cannot change your age directly on Clubhouse yourself. So thank you very much and have a good day.